In this video today, we will see how to delete a message in WhatsApp. For example, I will open WhatsApp. I will open the contact. Suppose if I send a message to a contact and if I want to delete this message again, then tap and hold on this message here. Select delete. Then again select the delete icon here. Now there are two options: delete for me, that means it will be deleted from your WhatsApp application but not from the WhatsApp application of the contact to whom you have sent the message, or else you have delete for everyone, which will delete the message from both of the WhatsApp application, from your side also and from the contact side also. So I will select delete for everyone. Now this message will be deleted from my WhatsApp application as well as from the WhatsApp application of the contact to whom I have sent. Remember, you can only delete the message which you have sent but not the message which you have received. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.